This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your browser cache in Google Chrome. I'm going to jump over to Google Chrome here. Sometimes if your browser cache is full, sometimes it'll give you trouble logging onto websites, or sometimes you'll just have issues with websites if your browser cache is full. The way you clear it, click on the three-dot hamburger menu up at the top right side. Go down to Settings. Then you will scroll down to where you see Privacy and Security. Under the Privacy and Security area, there's clear browsing data here. You want to select that. And then you have different options here. You can under the Basic tab, it gives you a time range. Do you want to clear it for the last 4 weeks? Do you want to clear it all time, 7 days, 24 hours, within the last hour? A lot of times you want to go for all time, and then you just click clear data. And sometimes if your cache is really loaded up, sometimes it might take it a half hour, 45 minutes, or even an hour to clear it. Another option you got is under Advanced. That's for more the techie type people, if you want to go for that. Under Advanced, it already has some pre-selected options, which you would probably want to leave it at that, but you could clear like stored passwords or auto-filled data. You know how when you go on a website, it'll automatically fill out the email address and your name and all that. If you select this, it clears all that. But usually you're okay just doing the basic and just click clear data, and that's it. Thanks for watching.